Imagine building a car so fast, so luxurious, and so ahead of its time that it becomes a legend. Now imagine watching that same legacy crumble, not once, but twice. This is the story of Bugatti, a name that screams speed, luxury, and innovation. But behind the glitz and glamour lies a tale of ambition, tragedy, and resilience. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why his legacy is as tragic as it is inspiring. It all started with one man, Ettore Bugatti. Born in Italy in 1881, Ettore wasn't just a car enthusiast, he was a visionary. By the age of 19, he had already designed his first car. But Ettore didn't just want to build cars, he wanted to create masterpieces. In 1909, he founded Automobiles Ettore Bugatti in Mulsanne, France. And from the very beginning, Bugatti cars were different. They weren't just machines, they were works of art. Take the Bugatti Type 35, for example. Introduced in the 1920s, it wasn't just a car, it was a racing legend. With over 2,000 wins in its lifetime, the Type 35 dominated the tracks. But here's the thing, Bugatti wasn't just about speed. Ettore believed in elegance. His cars were sleek, stylish, and handcrafted to perfection. In fact, he once famously said, "Nothing is too beautiful, nothing is too expensive." And for a while, it seemed like the world agreed. The 1920s and 1930s were Bugatti's golden years. The brand became synonymous with luxury and performance. The Bugatti Royale, for instance, was a car so exclusive that only 6 were ever made. It was designed for royalty, with a price tag that only the wealthiest could afford. But then, something happened that no one could have predicted: World War II. The war didn't just change the world, it changed Bugatti forever. Ettore's factory was destroyed, and the demand for luxury cars plummeted. But the real tragedy came in 1947, when Ettore Bugatti passed away. With him gone, the soul of the company seemed to disappear too. His son, Jean Bugatti, who was supposed to take over, had died in a car accident years earlier. The company was left without a leader, and the once great Bugatti began to fade into obscurity. Fast forward to the 1980s. Bugatti was just a name from the past, a relic of a bygone era. But then, an Italian entrepreneur named Romano Artioli decided to bring the brand back to life. He acquired the rights to the Bugatti name and set out to create a car that would once again shock the world. The result was the Bugatti EB110, a supercar that was way ahead of its time. With a top speed of 213 miles per hour, it was the fastest car in the world when it launched in 1991. But here's the twist, just as Bugatti was making a comeback, the global economy took a nosedive. The luxury car market crashed, and Bugatti was once again on the brink of collapse. By 1995, the company was bankrupt. It seemed like the Bugatti story was over for good. But then, in 1998, something incredible happened. Volkswagen, the German automotive giant, acquired the Bugatti brand. They didn't just want to revive Bugatti, they wanted to redefine it. Under Volkswagen's leadership, Bugatti set out to create the ultimate supercar, a car that would push the boundaries of speed, luxury, and engineering. The result was the Bugatti Veyron. Launched in 2005, the Veyron was a game-changer, with a top speed of 253 miles per hour and a price tag of over $1 million. It was unlike anything the world had ever seen. The Veyron wasn't just a car, it was a statement. It proved that Bugatti was back, and it was here to stay. But even with the Veyron's success, Bugatti's journey hasn't been without challenges. The brand has always been a niche player, catering to the ultra-wealthy. Cars like the Chiron and the Divo have kept Bugatti in the spotlight. The question remains, can Bugatti survive in a world that's increasingly focused on sustainability and electric vehicles? Here's the tragic irony of Bugatti's story. Ettore Bugatti's vision was to create cars that were both beautiful and powerful. But in doing so, he created a brand that was almost too exclusive, too luxurious for its own good. Bugatti has always been a brand for the elite, and that exclusivity has been both its greatest strength and its biggest weakness. Even today, Bugatti struggles to find its place in the world. While other car manufacturers are embracing electric technology and mass production, Bugatti remains a symbol of old-world luxury. And as the world changes, one can't help but wonder, will Bugatti be able to adapt, or will it once again become a relic of the past? So, what's the takeaway from Bugatti's story? It's a reminder that even the greatest legacies are fragile. Bugatti has risen, fallen, and risen again. But its future is still uncertain. Will it continue to thrive, or will it fade away like so many other legends? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, the name Bugatti will always be remembered. It's a name that represents the pursuit of perfection, the thrill of speed, and the beauty of design. And in a world that's constantly changing, maybe that's enough. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more stories like this. Until next time, stay curious. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments, what's your favorite Bugatti model? The classic Type 35, the iconic Veyron, or the futuristic Chiron? And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and join the community. See you in the next video.